Whispir allows you to send custom communications to your audience and interact with anyone instantly on any platform. Engage your audience, build your brand, and make data-driven decisions with a click of a button. Here's how easy it is to get started. Import your data into Whispir to pick your recipients and add personalization. Create your communication using SMS, voicemail, email, web page, or social. Use a simple drag-and-drop UI, along with a variety of pre-built components to create the perfect interaction. That could be a simple interaction that allows customers to RSVP and reserve tables for upcoming events. Or a more complex interaction, like helping stranded travelers. Or using clever message escalation when time is critical and you need immediate action. Every interaction is traceable through powerful reporting features, giving you insights into your audience so you can communicate better next time. Try it today to see how easy it can be to connect with your audience.